Hi, my name is Dwayne Squires.
My name is Richard Muse.
And this video is going to be a quick overview of how do you find a good property finder in the North East. So the first one, Richard.
The first thing you've got to look for is somebody with a good track record. Do your research, find somebody that that you might have spoken to other people who's got a track record of supplying these good types of properties that you're looking for.
Brilliant. Second one is compliance. So you want to be making sure your property finder has the right compliance in place. So indemnity insurance is signed up with the redress scheme, has a client account in place, and is also registered with anti-money laundering. Number
3 is testimonials. Very important. There's no better recommendation than a testimonial that somebody has used the service before, and we all do it now for when we look for testimonials, whatever we buy. So property sourcing is no different. Look for somebody that's got a good, really testimonial record.
Brilliant. And then number 4.
Knowledge of the area. That again, is something that doesn't come easy. Good source that's operated in that area, say in the northeast, for instance, should have a good knowledge of it. Some people will try and source your properties outside an area, and they don't have knowledge, and that's very dangerous. You want somebody that knows the area, because that gives you an advantage. They can say, well, yes, I would invest here, or I would not invest there, and that's absolutely invaluable for your property investment strategy.
Brilliant. And the fifth and final one is make sure the property finder has a client account. Now, why do you need a client account? So the client account is actually specifically a separate account to the trading account, and this is where it should be used if you're paying a deposit before completing on a property. So for transparency in the way we work, when we look to source deals for our investors, we always ask for a deposit on that property, and that goes into a separate account to our normal trading account, so that if anything happened with our company for any other reason, God forbid, their money would be protected in a separate account, which is seen as separate to the company. So this is a high level 5 things to look for when you're choosing a property finder in the North East. Make sure they've got a track record. Make sure they're compliant. They've got strong testimonials and credibility. They have strong knowledge of the area. They know the good, the bad, and the ugly, and they try and make sure you avoid investing in those areas. And they've got a separate client account where you're paying down a deposit up front. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you found it useful, please can you click the like button, as well as follow our YouTube channel by subscribing to it. That will then mean that when we release new videos in the future, you'll be notified of those.
Once you've liked and subscribed, why not watch other of our videos by clicking the thumbnail on the right-hand side? This will take you to more helpful videos for you to watch.